Hello, grade 6. Welcome to our online session. Today we are going to talk about a new word called positive and negative numbers. Okay, positive and negative number. I guess you know the meaning of a positive and negative. Um, However, positive means plus, like the sign plus, and negative means minus, like the sign minus. If I'm talking about gaining weight, so I gained weight. Is it a positive or negative number? Someone gain. Yes, it's a positive. If I lose some weight, so it's gonna be negative or positive? Losing weight, negative. Um, Talking about temperature, it's very cold, so it's gonna be by negative, and snow by negative. طيب it's very sunny and hot, it's positive, right? Let's start our sessions. Our positive numbers greater than zero. Here is our number line, zero in the middle, and the positive numbers after the zero in the right direction. Again, all the positive numbers are greater than zero, and on the number line on the right direction. Okay? Here, when we go from zero to right, it's positive, increasing numbers. It's positive, right? طيب. Negative numbers, all the numbers less than zero. Where can I put the less than zero numbers? Yes, after the zero in the left direction, like here, left direction. So we have our number line, our famous number line, zero in the middle. When you go right after the zero, it's gonna be positive numbers. When we go left after the zero, left direction, it's gonna be negative numbers. Again, it's very different between positive and negative numbers. Positive numbers greater than zero. Negative numbers less than zero. Okay? Yes, from zero to left is decreasing. What is the meaning of opposite numbers? Opposite numbers. What the meaning of opposite? Yes, something in the other direction. Like, what is the opposite of slow? Quick, tall, I guess short, uh, heavy, light, and so on. So the meaning of positive. Type. What is the meaning of a positive? Opposite directions or opposite numbers. Like we have here -3. I'm going to ask, what is the opposite number for -3? What is the opposite number for -3? Yes, I'm hearing it's +3. Where is +3 here in the number line? Yes, here. The opposite direction for it is 3, or the opposite number is 3. Again, if I told you what is the opposite number for 2, opposite, it's gonna be -2. طب can we talk about left and right? Where is 2? 2 is on the right of the 0. 2 on the right of 0. طب where is -2? Yes, left. Again, positive numbers at right, negative numbers at left. Again, one more time. Oh, sorry. Yes, return back. What is the opposite number for -5 and its location from the 0? First, our opposite number for -5 is 5, right? And its location from the 0, -5 is located left to 0. And positive 5 located right to 0, okay? What is the meaning of integers? You took before in grade 5. Integers mean numbers, all the numbers in positive and negative directions. In positive and negative numbers. Again, What is the meaning of integer? Integer is positive and negative numbers and zero. Like we are talking about the number line. Number line consists of what? Zero in the middle, all the positive number after the zero in the right, and all the negative number after the zero in the left. So it's called integer. Again, what is the meaning of integer? Integer is all the positive numbers and their opposites, or negative numbers and their opposites. Can you remember what's the meaning of an opposite? Positive is opposite for what? Negative, that's right. So integers are all positive and negative numbers, including the zero. Don't forget, including the zero. Like I said before, 7, opposite for negative 7. If I told you what is the opposite for integer 1, it's going to be negative 1. What is the opposite for integer? So it's by the way, it can called integer or integer as you wish. Integer negative 5, it's gonna be 5. Negative 3, and so on. Okay. Why we are studying negative? As I told you before, negative temperatures can used to measure, negative numbers can use to measure temperatures, right? If we are going to cold and there is snow or ice, so it's gonna be negative. Our temperature will be like negative 10 or 10 under the zero, below the zero. What's the meaning of below? Below means under the zero, so it's gonna be left on the number line, so it's gonna be negative, right? So we are studying negative numbers to measure temperature. Another one. Two negative numbers are used to measure under the sea level. If we have an iceberg or a mountain, start from under the sea till after the sea or above the sea level, okay? Again, one more time. We have a mountain, starts from under the sea, its bottom under the sea, and its top above the sea level. How we can measure it? If I told you it's 30 meters up above the sea level, above, it's gonna be positive or negative? Above. Yes, it's positive. Under the sea level, or below the sea level, it's gonna be negative. One more time. If I told you it's 10 meters above the sea level or over the sea level, it's gonna be positive. 40 meters under or below the sea level will be negative 40. Okay? I guess here is an wood. It cracked. I guess we are finished our... So we have negative numbers are used to show debit. What's the meaning of debit? If you go with your mom or dad to the ATM machine, and he took or she took some money, so it's mean she is withdraw some money. Withdraw, took money from her bank account. So she lost or gained money? I guess she lost some money, right? If you go to the ATM machine and withdraw like $10,000, it's too big number. Like 1 Egyptian pound, 100 Egyptian pounds. So she lost 100 Egyptian pounds from her bank account. So her bank account will be negative 100. She lost 100. If she put 100 Egyptian pound, yes, she gained positive 100. Can you see the difference? If she withdraw, yes, negative. If she deposited, it's gonna be positive, okay? It's very clever hint and important. If you don't have any sign in front of the number, it's gonna be positive. The nature of the numbers are positive. Again, if you don't see any sign in front of the number, it's gonna be positive. If I told you what is the opposite of 9 without saying it's a positive 9, it's very clear. It's gonna be negative 9. there is no sign in front of the number, so it's gonna be -9. What is the opposite for 10? There is no sign in front of 10, right? It's gonna be -10. Okay, 10 is where from the number line? Is the left or left or right from the 0? 10. Left or left or right? Yes, right from the 0. Positive number will be right. What is the opposite of 10? It's -10. Left after the 0. Left from the 0. Okay? طيب, can we start? Another lesson, comparing. It's gonna be compare. Again. As we said before, -2. What is the opposite for -2? It's 2. Type. What is, how we can order the numbers? If we have 3 and 4, which one is greater? 4 or 3? Which one is greater? Yes, it's 4 is greater than 3. طب if we have 1 and 10, which one is smaller? Yes, it's 1 smaller than 10. It's very easy, I guess, right? طيب, shall we go to the negative and positive? طيب, if we said -1, -1 and 1, who is bigger? Who is bigger? Yes, it's positive. The positive one, as we said before, no sign, it's a positive. Who is bigger? It's 1. 1 bigger than -1. 1 is bigger than -1. Positive numbers are bigger than any negative number. If I told you 1 and -100, 1 and -100, who is bigger? Yes, it's 1. Right? طيب, the second step. If we have two negative numbers, concentrate بقى. If we have two negative numbers like -2 and -3, who is bigger? Try to think which one is bigger, -2 or -3? In the negative numbers, the smallest number is bigger than the larger number. يعني -2 is bigger than -3. Not like in the positive. If we have +2 and 3, 3 is going to be bigger than 2. But in negative numbers, -2 is bigger than or greater than -3. Okay? One more time. If we have here -4 and -10. And here 4 and 10. Which one is bigger in the first one? -4 or -10? Yes, -4 is greater than -10. 4 and 10, which one is bigger? That's right, 10 is bigger than 4. Okay? So can we have another example? If I told you, here is our number line, our famous number line. 0. 0 in the middle. Here we have all the positive numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay? It will not end by 5. It can be end by million, 100 millions, any number. Okay? And here we start from -1, -2, -3, and so on. So can you plot 2 and its opposite? Where's 2? Where's 2? Here. Where its opposite? Where is its opposite number? Yes, here, -2. Right? طيب, -2 on the left or in the right for the 0? Left or right? Yes, left. طيب, 2. Right. Excellent. Okay? طب now we did finish comparing integers. as we said before, integers all positive and negative, including the zero integers. And now we can compare integers, okay? Try to solve some examples from your school book, and I'm going to upload an assignment next Thursday, inshallah. There is no quiz for this week. Quizzes will start in week number 2, okay? We did finish our session number 1 and 2 and introduction for session number 3, okay? Yeah, see you soon, inshallah. Bye bye.